Hey guys, working on a C3 Corvette. So inside of the car, the cable for the heater. See this cable here? See, you push this in and out and that moves. Heat on, heat off. So this thing broke off from it. This thing's on back order, so I can't get a new one. So I will show you guys how to quickly fix one of these. Okay, so see, this isn't supposed to move. This is supposed to be attached to these little wires here, like so. Right about there, like that. So, okay, the first thing you're gonna need is like a stiff kind of, see, I got like a stiff cable or wire or whatever. It's very, very stiff. You have to like bend it with pliers. So I'm gonna make a little thing out of it and I'll show you guys what it looks like once it's done. Okay, so I got it made. See, it's stiff. So there's gonna be a bolt that goes through this, right? And that's gonna go onto that, like so. We're gonna electrical tape it on. Like we're gonna wrap electrical tape around like crazy around this so it doesn't slide like that. And then this thing is gonna go right on the back here. Just like that, get it? And it's gonna keep it in place. Make sense? And then we're just gonna put a washer on the nut. We'll have to put a longer nut. That's the only difference we're gonna do. Or bolt, sorry, longer bolt, my bad. So get it, so that, like this part goes in there, right? Like so. See, it goes like that. It's hard to do this with one hand, but anyways. And then the bolt goes through there, right? And this thing attaches to that. Okay, I'm gonna set all this up and show you guys what it looks like all fixed. Okay, so just in case I wasn't showing that good enough, right? So that goes in like this. See, there's a bolt that goes through there and that connects like that, right? Okay, see, like that. And then we're gonna attach this thing on this side and put the nut through it with a washer and tape it to that thing so it doesn't slide. Makes sense. Okay, guys, I'm doing that. I'll show it working in a second. Okay, guys, so there it is all done. We ended up not using a washer. See, it's just attached like that. And then it's taped really, really good to this. That's attached to there. So now when we spin this, see, everything works good. See, that doesn't move. Everything works there. Everything works there. It goes right to the end both ways. And you could even adjust it here if you had to, if it wasn't. So there you go, guys. Now you got your heater cable fixed 100% for free and no waiting for a back ordered part. Thanks for watching Problem Solver Garage, guys. This was my shortest episode ever. Subscribe, like, and watch my video on installing all this interior, which is coming out next.
I love Problem Solver Garage, and make sure to subscribe.